So she works a job.
Yeah, she's a teacher.
She's a teacher, and she has a severance package as well?
Yes.
She's received. Okay, do you know how much it is? Or is there something I have to ask her?
You can say my name.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me. Let me address him, okay?
Okay.
I'll come to you as soon as I'm done.
Okay.
I promise.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead.
Well, it's around $20,000.
Around $20,000. Okay.
Yes. I'm not sure the exact thing because it's not mine.
Wow. From the very beginning, you can feel this case isn't just about child support. It's about emotions that never fully healed. A mother, a teacher, walks into court trying to explain her financial struggles, but the way she talks about her ex, it says so much more than the numbers on paper.
So,
How many kids do you all have?
we have one.
One child?
Yes,
Okay.
one little girl.
Okay, one little girl. How old is she?
17.
17. Ooh,
Yeah.
okay. You almost have her out the house.
Taking her butt to the military.
Okay. Ma'am?
Did you catch that? Instead of focusing on child support, she's talking about how great Chris is, almost admiring him in front of the judge. And then, the moment the judge points out that Chris is married now, that's where reality hits. This isn't about their past relationship anymore. It's about their daughter.
Well, it is,
What
About-
amount is it, ma'am?
it's 25,000.
Okay. And how much are you making as a teacher right now?
52, thereabouts. Not as much as him, though.
How much does he make? Why are you talking
So
to him like that? Why are you referring to him like that?
Well, Chris is just, he's just a great guy. He's does well. He's very smart.
This part really touched me. Chris admits that the $227 child support she's been paying, he didn't even spend it on himself. He saved it in a trust for their daughter's future. That shows you the type of father he is, not out for revenge, not trying to punish the mother, but thinking about his child first.
You paying child support. Now your daughter, who does she live
I
with?
love child. Yes.
Okay, your love child. Who does your love child live with?
Chris.
Okay. And she's been living with Chris, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And since she's been living with you, Mr. Hawkins, have you been receiving any type of child support?
Yes, we have. It's around $227 now.
Okay.
And I've been just putting that in a trust for our daughter, so she'll be able to get that once she...
Here's the legal bombshell. Severance pay counts as income. A lot of people don't realize that. You might think it's just savings, it's sitting there. But for child support calculations, it matters. The judge makes it crystal clear that all income is income when it comes to supporting your child.
So your child support, I have at the $52,000 a year. That's what you currently make as a teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Your gross is $4,400. And then that brings your net down to $3,653.78. Okay. Are you taking notes and following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have your severance pay. I can deem that as income as well. Okay. Yes, I can. You looking real confused, but I can, and I am. Okay. So $25,000. We have your gross at $2,100. Okay. And then your net at $1,823.23. Okay. Do you understand? Is there anything wrong with the numbers?
And look at the judge's patience here. The mom tries to explain that $52,000 isn't a lot, but the judge stays firm. This is about the child, not the parent's comfort. That's a reality check many parents in court face. Child support is a formula, not a negotiation of feelings.
Well, I understand, but I also understand that this child has been living with Mr. Hawkins, and you understand that child support is based on a calculation, right? Right?
Right.
Okay. And any income, anything that is considered income it can be calculated in terms of calculating what your child support should be. You understand that?
This was almost uncomfortable to watch. The mom starts hyperventilating, almost acting like Chris's presence is too much for her, but the judge immediately shuts that down. This courtroom isn't a stage for old emotions. It's about responsibility.
So I have your child support amount at $1,095.40. But I also heard you. Are you okay, ma'am?
Yes.
You're hyperventilating over there. Are you okay?
Well, Chris has that effect on me, but it's,
Oh, you know what? I'm not even about to entertain that. I shouldn't have asked. That was the wrong question. I do apologize. Mr. Hawkins, you did say that the two of you were cordial.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's
And then comes the most powerful twist. Chris, the father, could have demanded the full calculated amount, but instead he says, I can just do with $200. That's humility. That's grace. He put peace above money, above pride. Honestly, that moment says more about character than any paycheck ever could.
Just don't look at her.
creepy
Just
for
keep
me.
looking at me.
So-
Yeah, because it's creepy for me to even see it on my
can we
peripheral.
just- I can just do with 200. It's gonna go to her.
$200?
She's got another year. It's $200.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is order child support at $200 by agreement of the parties, okay?
Yes.
All right, is there anything
sweet.
else? Ma'am, you know what? That's great. Why don't you have a conversation with his wife after the show, okay?
Judge Vonda wrapped it up by reminding everyone, yes, severance counts, yes, the law is strict. But in the end, the parents themselves can agree on what they believe is best. And that's exactly what happened here. A courtroom full of tension ended with an agreement that wasn't about punishment, it was about peace.
Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I want to talk to you all what you just witnessed in the Hawkins case. In this particular case, mom was the teacher. She also had a severance package. Can she pay child support based on both of those? Well, yes, she absolutely can. Although her severance package, as she stated on the episode, was just the money that she received, I believe the $25,000, it was sitting in a savings account. No harm done, right? Well, for purposes of calculating child support, the court can deem that as income. So the amount of money that she made as a teacher is also calculated with the $25,000 deemed income to get her monthly child support obligation a month. And something else you all noticed in that episode, the parties were able to agree to a child support amount. You're more than welcome to do that. Although you have guideline child support in Texas, the parties can come to an agreement and agree to a certain amount of child support if they believe that it's in the best interest of their child. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show.